Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Select the Revolut card you want to remove. Tap the info icon, often represented by an eye symbol. Finally, choose Remove this card. This action deactivates the digital token associated with your card on Apple's servers, ensuring it's no longer accessible through Apple Pay on your device. This is useful for security reasons, switching between cards for budgeting, or if you suspect fraudulent activity. To re-add your Revolut Visa debit card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Revolut app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Cards section to see your available cards. From the Cards section, select your Visa debit card. This will open the card details where you'll find the option to add it back to Apple Pay. Once you've selected the card, you should see an Add to Apple Pay option clearly displayed. This integrates directly with your iPhone's Wallet app. Tap Add to Apple Pay and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to verify your card with a security code sent to your Revolut registered phone number or email. This step ensures only you can add the card. Before proceeding, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later for compatibility. Also confirm your Revolut account is in good standing, as inactive accounts may prevent successful addition. The verification step is crucial for security, as it prevents unauthorized users from adding your card to their Apple Pay. This protects against fraud and ensures only verified additions are allowed. Remember that Apple Pay doesn't share your actual card details with merchants. Instead, it creates a secure digital proxy, a unique token that protects your information during transactions.